Hello kids, today in this video we are going to learn about articles. So let's meet twins brothers. The name of brothers are A and An. The twins brothers like to point out singular noun. A and An are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal and one thing. Though they are twins, but both have different hobbies. The article A is seen with noun that begins with consonant. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl and a zoo. And the article an likes to listen noun beginning with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an aeroplane, an ink bottle and an elephant. So children, now you know about the articles. So let's learn to solve exercise in your English primer book, page number 64. So here you are. As you have learned about the two twins A and An, let's do exercise on page number 64 in your English primer book. So what you see here, fill in the blank with A and An. You remember children, A loves to play with consonant and An loves to play with vowel. So here are some exercise that you have to do with me. So let's read and do. See, the first one is filled. An elephant is on a log. An elephant is on a log. What you see? The first letter elephant has started with vowel E. V. You have to write a V under E. So when the vowel is come, what will come? An. An elephant is on a log. And the log start with the spelling L. And L is consonant. So what has come before L? A. Now the next one. Which picture you see? Yes, this is a picture of a nest and an egg is inside the nest. So dash egg is in the dash nest. So the spelling of egg starts with E. E is a vowel and An loves to play with E vowel. So we will write here V and what we will write here? An. An egg is in what will come? Nest. Nest is there. Nest spelling has started with N. So N is consonant. So we will write here A. So again we will read an egg is in a nest. Full stop. Now let's see the next sentence. Dash cake. Cake. What is the spelling of cake? C-A-K-E. And the first letter of cake is C. So C is consonant or vowel? Yes, you are right. C is consonant. So we will write here a cake is on, again T-A-B-L-E, table. So T is consonant, on a table. A cake is on a table. The next one is what you see, a basket is there and an orange is there. One orange. So orange spelling is O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And the first letter of orange is O. O is vowel. So who likes to play with vowel? An. Who likes to play with vowel? An. So we will write A and An. Orange is in, what is this? Basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. So B is consonant. So what you will write here? A basket. One more time we will read. An orange is in a basket. An orange is in a basket. And next one is what you see, there is a leaf and ant is sitting on the leaf. So ant, A-N-T, ant. The first letter of ant is A. So A is vowel. A is vowel. So what you will write here? An ant is on a leaf. The leaf spelling is L, start with L. L-E-A-F. So we will write here consonant. And we will write here consonant love to play with A. An ant is on a leaf. Repeat after me. An ant is on a leaf. We forgot to write here vowel. No? Yes, the next one is what you see. An umbrella is there. Umbrella is in the box. Umbrella is in box. So, umbrella spelling start with U. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. So, here we will write an umbrella is in a box. So, box is a spelling start with B-O-X. Box. B is a consonant. So, what will come here? A. Repeat after me. An umbrella is in a box. One more time we are going to read it. Okay. An elephant is on a log. Next. An egg is in a nest. Next. A cake is on a table. Next. An orange is in a basket. An ant is on a leaf. An umbrella is in a box. So, you have to do reading practice same like this. Hope you will like the video and you will do practice for the same. Bye bye for now.